Mabuhay! Welcome, it's Alicat Castle. As you all know, I'm a proud transgender Filipino-American makeup artist here in Washington, D.C. And I'm also a proud brown-skinned Beth. In today's episode, I'll be doing your request using Drugstore makeup to create these beautiful summer golden eyes. So without further ado, let's do this right now! And the inspiration for today is the Yellow Brick Road. And according to the Oxford Advanced Learner's Dictionary, the Yellow Brick Road means a course of action that a person takes believing that it will lead to good things. Starting with the Milani eyeshadow primer and apply this all over the lid in order for your eyeshadow to stay all day. This reminds me of Dorothy's home in Kansas when everything was in black and white, but you need to start somewhere. She definitely dreamt bigger. She dreamt of something colorful, yung mas makulay. Parang pangarap lang siya, dapat makulay. And now we apply the Maybelline color tattoo in front runner all over the eyelid. It has a little bit of that shimmery gold color. And the shimmer in this reminds me of hope, that in life, hope is what we need in order for us to keep on going. Habang may buhay, may pag-asa! And now, applying the Barefoot Bronze eyeshadow with the MAC Flat Shader Brush. So, this color reminds me of the Yellow Brick Road from The Wizard of Oz, that each of us has our own journey ahead of us. Kumbaga sa buhay, lahat naman tayo may kanya-kanyang pinagdadaanan. Sana nga lang walang lubak! But then again, you have your hope and dreams that you bring with you. Pero ang adhikain at pangarap mo ang mga armas mo. And now, applying the same color eyeshadow with the blending crease brush of Sonia Kashuk, and you apply this right on the crease, forming a rainbow-like effect. Parang kanta lang yan ni Judy Garland, Somewhere Over the Rainbow. But seriously, this reminds me of the friends that you meet along the way that will help you get through your journey. And just like in life, God will send you the right people for you to get to your destination. And now, moving along with the Baywatch eyeshadow with the Sonia Kashuk large eyeshadow brush right on the brow bone and on the inner corner of the eyes. And this color reminds me of the clear lessons that we will learn along the way while we go through our journey. Kumbaga, may mga aral tayong mapupulot habang tayo'y naglalakbay! Oh! And now, it's time to apply our eyeliner with the PIXI by Petra and the Silky eye pen in Sage Gold, just like the color Emerald. And speaking of emerald, this emerald color reminds me of the Emerald City, full of promises. Parang buhay lang natin yan, mga best. Lagi nating iniisip kung ano ang ating patutunguhan. And it's okay to think of our final destination as long as we live in the moment. Kaya dapat mag-focus tayo ngayon para mas malinaw ang ating bukas. And speaking of malinaw, let's now proceed with the Advanced Night Repair Eye Cream to apply with Q-tip right on the sides of the eyeshadow. And just like in life, you need to have a clear mind in order for wisdom to come your way. Bes, ang gandang advice niyan para sa mga wais. And now, applying the Motives Concealer with a sponge in light pink undertone right on the side of the eyes. And this reminds me that it's easier to patch things up when things are clear. Wow, Beshi! Ang linaw! Para lang siyang bolang kristal! Kitang-kita lahat! And now, applying the same eyeliner right on the inner rim bottom of the eye. And just like in life, this reminds me of that inner gut feel, that inner wisdom that will help us in the decisions we have to make. It's like a natural human power! Kumbaga, lakas ng loob lang yan, bes! And now, it's time for our lower lash line using the Barefoot Bronze eyeshadow with the Sonia Kashuk Smudge Brush. And this reminds me of that Yellow Brick Road, that we're still aware of our surroundings before we get to our final destination. Destination? Destination? Destination! And now, applying the same eyeliner on our lower lash line. It's like looking ahead to the Emerald City. And getting there hopefully, slowly but surely. Kumbaga, enjoy lang ng journey, sis! And now, using the e.l.f. mascara in black. And applying this right on the lower lashes. And sometimes in life, this reminds me that it's okay to take things slow. Tao lang tayo, sis! Hinay-hinay lang sa mga desisyon natin! And sometimes, when you take your time, you're more focused on the things ahead. And now, applying the same mascara right on your top lashes. And just like in life, we need to balance what we do in the bottom and what we do on top. At kung may balance ka, mas madaling tapusin ang mga bagay-bagay. And now, applying the Kiss Next Gen Wispy Blowout Lash right on her top lashes. And just like in life, as long as you get through the motion of your journey, you get things accomplished. Kitang-kita naman mga best, natapos din tayo sa eye makeup. And now, applying our blush with the Milani blush in Tea Rose with the Sonia Kashuk contour brush. And just like this blush that gives us a pop of color, it reminds me when Dorothy got to Oz and everything became so colorful. Kumbaga, ang mga karanasan natin ang nagbibigay kulay sa buhay natin. And now applying my favorite lip balm, the Maybelline Baby Lips in my pink. And I love how comfortable my lips whenever I apply this. I can just go on and on and on and on and on. Dami namang on, kaloka. And now, it's lip gloss time with the Rimmel London Stay Glossy in Stay My Rose. And this is so shiny and it sparkles so much that it reminds me of Dorothy's heels. That after she clicks it to 3, that she's finally home. At naniniwala ako sa sinabi ni Dorothy na there's no place like home. Mga best, just look through your hearts because that's where you'll find the answers. And when you do things from your heart, you'll always be home. And welcome home mga best, my BFFs! Yay! Well, all I want to say is you'll always have a special place and a home in my heart. And in this journey that we call life, I'll walk with you, I'll always believe in you, I'll always be proud of you, and I'll always love you. Sabay-sabay tayong mangangarap at sabay-sabay din nating kakamtin kung ano ang ating adhikain, kung ano ang nasa ating puso. And I also want you to know that I'll never leave you and I'll always be with you. Again, this is Alicat Castle saying, let's all spread love, laughter, and a little bit of makeup! Again, pagmamahal, pagsasaya, at konting makeup. I hope you subscribe, and I'll see you again next week. Mahal na mahal kita. I love you. Bye!